Hi everybody. So for tonight's homework, I just want to do another practice problem of graduated commission. We know that these problems can be a little bit challenging. There are a lot of steps involved, but we really tried to stress the 3 steps today during class to see if we can remember. So I want to do one example with you guys today to see how well you're understanding today's lesson. So here we have Miguel Valdez, who sells appliances, and he is paid commission based on the chart above. What is his commission on $14,910 worth of sales? So as we can see, we do have 3 levels here. We have level 1, level 2, and level 3. And step 1, if you guys remember from class, is to find the commission for level 1 and level 2. So we start with level 1, and then we'll go on to level 2. So first we're going to use these numbers right here. And we know our formula, right, is total sales times commission rate. That's how we're going to find the commission for the first 2 levels. So we need to plug in our sales and we need to plug in our rate. So our sales always has a dollar sign. So we're going to look at the number that has a dollar sign, which is 5,000. And our rate always has a percent sign. Unfortunately, we cannot leave it as a percent. So we're going to take our 8, put our imaginary decimal in the back, and move it 2 places to the left, plugging in a 0. So we're going to use 0.08 instead. And we're going to go to our calculator and we're going to quickly compute this. Okay, here we go. So we're doing 5,000 times 0.08, and we have a nice solid answer of 400. So far, level 1, Miguel's earning $400. Now let's move on to level 2. So we have to use now new numbers. We have 10% and we have 5,500. So a little bit more. Same formula, total sales times commission rate. So this time for the total sales, we're using 5,500. And for our percent, we're going to take that 10, our imaginary decimal in the back, 2 places to the left. We don't need to fill in anything, so we're going to leave it as 0.10. And we're going to throw this in the calculator. And we get 550. Oh, sorry. What happened here? Here we go. All right, sorry for the sloppy handwriting. So step 1 complete. We're going to put a little check mark because we finished. Now we're going to move on to step 2. So step 2 is going to involve our final level, but this time it says over 10,500. And let's see how much Miguel sold. So he made $14,910 worth of sales. That is definitely higher than 10,500. So he did in fact go over 10,500, but we want to know by how much. So we should remember from today that our step 2 requires us to use subtraction. And we always take the bigger number first. So we're going to take that 14,910 and we're going to subtract our smaller number, 10,500. Okay, so we're going to throw that in the calculator because these are pretty big numbers here. What do we have first? 14,910 minus 10,500. And we get this answer here, 4,410. Now that's not the end of step 2. So what we basically just found was the number that we're going to need to use when we calculate our commission. So we're not using this, 10,500. I'm going to put an X over it. This is what we're using now. Oh, sorry. This is what we're using now for our total sales. So if we have our formula, total sales minus commission rate Our new total sales, excuse me, is $4,410. And our rate is the rate that they give us up here. So 15%. But we're going to put our decimal in the back, 2 places to the left. Now it's in front, so 0.15. Oh, sorry, I put minus. I made a mistake. Times. All right, and let's go find out how much this is going to cost. So we're multiplying that by 0.15. And we get our answer right here, $661.50. So we found level 1, this is level 1, we found level 2, and now we found level 3. So step 2 is complete. Once you found all your levels, we should remember from in class, step 3 is to find the total of all 3 levels. So I'm going to write up the numbers in here. Level 1 was 400, level 2 was 550, and level 3 was 661.50. So we're going to add all those up, and we will have our final answer. So I'm going to keep that. We already have it in here. We're going to add the 400, and we're going to add the 550. And our final answer comes to 1,611.50. And that's it. We found our graduated commission. So Miguel, based on his sales, so this is the amount that he sold on appliances. Because of that, he was able to receive $1,611.50. And that's how we do our graduated commission. All right, guys, we're going to continue working on this tomorrow, and have a great night. Bye.